What is up? Welcome back, or I should say I'm back. I finally got the next little install. It should be a really quick one today. Going along with the theme that we've been doing with the fuel system. It is the Black Market Performance CAT Water separator. If you've seen my previous videos, you know we did the one up under the hood for the fuel filter, and now we're just got the water separator in, and should be a quick and easy one. Hopefully we don't mess anything up today. We've kind of have a good theme going of messing stuff up, but we'll should be a quick and easy one today. So let's get to it. So here's the water separator. Comes with the filter and the housing unit, and this here's your sensor. I guess I give you a new one to plug into. Pretty easy, nice, compact, everything's put together. So this is what we are replacing today. And before you guys go crazy and think I'm nuts for having one of these cheap Chinese filters, I just threw it on there while waiting for this part to come in from Black Market, and I've maybe put a 2,000 miles on it. I'll show you here. So I'm at 5%. Fuel filter health, trying to get the focus. It says 68,831, and I'm going on a trip this week, so that's why we got this little special off the Amazon. If you've watched my other videos, you know I'm pretty notorious for losing the clips, so I'm just double checking. I got clips here, we're good. I should know this, we've already been down here. But another great thing you can do, had a friend tell me, is you know, take a photo of it with your phone before you completely disassemble everything, and then you can always reference it when you go back to put it back together if it's going to be a day or two. If I can get you up there. This is on the back side of the filter. Should be a couple bolts right here that we gotta undo after we drop the filter out, and should be pretty simple. These damn things getting stuck in there. Got it out. Let's keep going. Alright, so I got it off. As you can see, there's the two studs went in here and bolts are on the back side. There's a 13mm, and then you do have to unplug this from the top. It's clipped in right there. I just popped it out so I could get easier access to push this button right here and unplug it. So let's show you the difference in the two pieces up top. Alright, here's the two units side by side. Here's your factory one. It's super dirty, you can tell. And here's the new Black Market Performance, and it is really nice. So we'll throw this one back in. This is where your 2 bolts were. This faces towards the back of the truck. And then we'll just put those back in here. So on the new filter, you don't need to use this old sensor, your water sensor. But I think I'm just going to take it off and keep it. Just in case, I don't know if I have to switch back or something goes wrong. But I did just buy this in the first video because I broke the other one from not using the right wrench. So, oh well, we'll just keep it to the side in case we need it. And like that, guys, it is installed. And it looks to me like we're not using this plug anymore. I honestly don't know what it is for, but I'll cover it and tape it, stick it back where it was. Maybe leave a comment down below if you know what it is for. I'm guessing thermometer or flow or something. I'm not sure. But yeah. Looks pretty nice. It'll probably not stay that nice for me since the rest of my truck is just getting worked with all the dirt and living on gravel roads and all that fun stuff, but she does look good. So I was wondering what to cover this plug with, but I just cut the thumb off of a glove, stuck it on there, and now I'll tape it up and I'll show you what that looks like at the end. But in case someone's wondering, yeah, probably doesn't look right, but just keep some dirt out of there. I'll show you after I tape it. Alright, there she is, all taped up and covered, and keep water and dirt out. Take one last look at her under here. Alright, and now we'll just change out this filter so that they're on the same schedule for the next maintenance. And I think we all know how that goes, so I will just skip ahead so you guys don't have to sit through that. So here we go. And like that, we are done. So this one was pretty simple. I did have some questions on my first video I did about installing this with this plug. Oh, let me get the lighting better. Alright, so on my first video I did have some questions about this plug and getting it to plug in. It is a little bit short. Let's see if I can do this. I pretty much had to grab this whole harness that it's tied into back here, which you can't see, and kind of pull it towards to the filter here to get it to plug in. And there is a little bit of play, like you can see here, but it was a tight fit. So hopefully that answers everyone's question. Following up on my install of this filter. Alright guys, so you can see it's $70,538 since I put the kind of cheap Amazon fuel filter in there, so that's like to 1700-ish, 1700 miles or so since the last change, so not that far. I think it did fine for what I did, intended purposes. I just had a road trip to go on, and with 5% I just didn't want to chance it. So yeah, I'm going to reset these and this job will be done. Also, I'm sure you guys know as well if you work on your own vehicle, but I tend to use this a little book to jot down everything I do. So that kind of helps me. I wrote in there when I put the last filters in and can track it. Little tip for you, if you don't, it might help you. I definitely can't remember all the stuff that I did or wanted to oil change or anything like that, so that helps me keep track of everything. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on this video. I appreciate it if you did stick through this whole time. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but one of the key reasons that I did go through and switch out these to the CAT filters is they are a lot more cost effective. If you're doing your own maintenance and stuff, the filters are like, I don't know, maybe half the price or even less than that for these. And from my understanding, they are a lot better filtration for the truck. So that's huge to me, and I think it's definitely worth the money if you're trying to save some in the long run. If you guys could hit the thumbs up, that'd mean a lot. Even subscribe, that'd be awesome. I got more videos coming to you. The next one might be a little way out. I'm trying to save up to get some stuff to you know, do all at once. It'll probably be a couple videos, but I'm pretty excited for that. And until next time, remember to enjoy the ride.